Is KashKick a great way to earn some extra cash on the side, or is it a complete waste of time? My name's Michael from paidfromservice.com, and in this KashKick review, I will give you an inside look and show you exactly what you can expect so you can easily find out if you should join or not. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites and paid service sites. I have now logged into KashKick, and let me just reveal right away that it is a legit get paid to site and it has several ways you can earn. It doesn't mean that it necessarily will be worth it for you, but I will take you through everything it has to offer. But once you come in, you have the dashboard here, and it is fairly easy to navigate and find your way around because there are not a lot of options. You can find all the options up here. The first thing you see when you log in are these offers. On many get paid to sites, there are what they call offer walls with all kind of different offers you can do. It is a bit smaller here in KashKick, but it is also quite easy to get an overview. Whether these offers will be worth it or not for you, that really depends on your preferences, but you need to read the conditions carefully. Some of them can be a nice way to boost your earnings, and some of them are definitely not worth it. There are some of them where you need to pay something. There are some casinos or something like that where you get a bonus when you sign up and you pay something into an account and then you get this reward. Or there are some free trials that you get paid to sign up for, but if you do not cancel that free trial, it will continue into a paid membership. So you need to be aware of that and make sure to read the exact conditions before you take any of these offers. There are also some additional service sites they promote here, and you can get paid to sign up for those. Like for example, LifePoints is, in my opinion, a very good service site, and you can sign up to that. So here it is kind of promotional messages. Whether they're worth it or not, that really depends. So read carefully, as I mentioned several times. In addition to the offers, you can find quite a lot of paid service inside KashKick. In my opinion, this is currently the best earning opportunity inside KashKick because the offers you can find on many other sites also, and some of them you have to pay for and all these things. But the service, you can easily see which ones will be worth it or not. I like how user-friendly it is, where you can right away see how long it approximately takes and the exact reward. And they have even included how many spots there are left, because if you've taken paid service before, you know that usually they are only looking for a certain number of respondents, and once that has been reached, you cannot qualify anymore. So here you can easily see how to prioritize your time. If you wanted to take this one, you should probably do it fairly soon because there are only 3 spots left. And if you want to take this one that has more than 1,300 spots left, you have a bit more time. Some of the service pays decently for your time. You can see here, for example, you get $4 for a 10-minute survey, and other times it does not give so high rewards. Here you would, for example, get 39 cents for a 15-minute survey. But overall, it does give decent rewards. You just have to choose carefully, but luckily this overview of the surveys makes it very easy to get that overview, so you can choose carefully and choose wisely. There is one more way you can earn as a member of KashKick, and that is by inviting friends to join. You will simply get a code and you can share that code with your friends, and if they decide to join, you will get a bonus every time they earn inside KashKick. And you will earn 25% of what your friend is earning. It will not be taken from your friend's earnings. They will earn the same. This is a bonus paid to you by KashKick to thank you for inviting someone else. So if you have a lot of friends you would like to invite and you think they would actually end up being active, then it can definitely be a way to earn a little bit extra. I also have a referral link for KashKick on my website. I will leave a link to the full review on my website below this video. So if you find this review useful and want to join, you are more than welcome to use my referral link. Before deciding if you then want to join or not, you of course also need to know how you can then get your earnings out. First, I just want to make it clear who can actually join. Currently, KashKick is only available in the US. If you are not from the US, this site is not for you, but then there are plenty of other opportunities. I have many reviews of sites you can join no matter the country you're in, and I will also leave a link here in this video in the top corner so you can find that and watch some videos there about sites that are available in your country if you do not live in the US. If you live in the US, the payout threshold here is $10, so you need to earn $10 before you can take your earnings out, and you get paid through PayPal. So it is a fairly low payout threshold, and the earning opportunities here also means that you can fairly quickly reach that threshold, and then you can get your earnings out in cash through PayPal, which is my personal favorite way to get paid from get paid to sites and service sites. So in my opinion, definitely a good way to get paid. As you can see, KashKick is a very straightforward get paid to site. It is easy to navigate on. There are not a lot of opportunities, but it is easy to get an overview and it is easy to see what you will earn so you can prioritize your time. In my opinion, it is not one of the absolute top get paid to sites and paid service sites. The rewards could be a little bit higher, but they do definitely pay decently and it is very user friendly, and I like how easy they have made it to get an overview of the paid surveys. I definitely think the best way to earn here KashKick is by focusing on the surveys, and if you focus on the surveys that pay the highest for your time, then it can definitely be a way to earn a bit extra by sharing your opinion. I think it should not be the only get paid to site and service site you join, because it does not quite have enough opportunities for that, but as an extra site in addition to other sites, it definitely can be worth checking out if you live in the US. I have a full review with even more details on my website paidfromservice.com, and I will leave a link below this video, so check that out, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service and get paid to sites.